Now that we have completed the foundation program in developing WordPress websites, the next question is, what next? In this foundation program, I have tried to give you the best possible introduction to developing your own WordPress blog site. However, this is a foundation course. We have not gone into details of building a complete business website or even an e-commerce website. That was not the objective of this foundation program. The focus or the objective of the foundation program was to introduce you to the concept of building your own website, especially your blog site, make you understand the different elements of building websites, introduce CMS to you, introduce WordPress to you, tell you the different aspects of working with a WordPress dashboard, and in this process, build your blog site. So far, it has been an enjoyable journey and we have achieved what we set out to do. We have achieved our own blog site through this foundation program. I am hoping that most of you have enjoyed this journey of building your blog site. And when you look at this course, you will think that it was a great experience to build your blog site. But some of you may also think that it is a very cumbersome journey to build your blog site, and you do not want to go any further with developing websites. In either case, whether you have loved it or whether you have not enjoyed the process of blogging, I would think that this program has been successful. We want you to make an informed decision of whether you want to go ahead and learn the details of building your own websites and e-commerce sites. And we will take you through that journey if that is interesting to you. After the foundation program, we will be bringing you the intermediate program in WordPress development. In the intermediate program for WordPress, we will be helping you build your business website. All the different plugins and all the different elements of a business website will be included. If you do the intermediate course, you will be able to build a website by yourself. Not just build, you will also be able to sustain and maintain the website by yourself. Apart from building the business site, there are 4 different aspects of the intermediate course that I would like to highlight about. First, the entire course will be practically oriented. We will take you through the various aspects of building your website. It will not be a theoretical course. Second, your evaluation will be based on 2 factors. You will have to submit assignments to us. You will also have to give an online proctored exam. You can be assured that the evaluation will be taken very seriously by us, and we expect you to do the same. Once you are certified on clearing the exam, you will be listed on the Digital Dojo job portal, where you can search for opportunities related to your skills. We want to bring talent and opportunities on one common platform, and the Digital Dojo job portal is a platform for the same. And finally, you will have support and a community where you can bounce off ideas. You can give help. You can also seek help. It is going to be a very powerful digital community that helps you in your digital journey. These are some of the important aspects of joining the intermediate program in developing WordPress websites. We want to assure you that the intermediate course in developing WordPress websites will help you achieve your learning objectives in a practical perspective. We are all geared up for that mission. We want you to join us in that course. I will see you there. Till then, happy learning. Do well, and I hope to see you soon. All the best. Best wishes from Sachin Sadre and the Digital Dojo team. Good luck, friends.